Do you ever wonder why we suffer so much? Why do we have so much pain, worry, and sadness in our lives? What is the solution to all of these problems? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, then Buddhism might just have the answers you're looking for. In this beginner's guide to Buddhism, we will explore the basic principles of this ancient philosophy and how it can help us live happier and more fulfilling lives. Let's get into it. What is Buddhism? Buddhism is an ancient philosophy and way of life that originated in India over 2,500 years ago with Siddhartha Gautama, who is now known as the Buddha. The word Buddha actually means the awakened one. Gautama was a spiritual teacher who taught a path to enlightenment and liberation from suffering. His teachings became known as Buddhism and have since spread throughout the world, becoming one of the most popular religions in the world. What are the main beliefs of Buddhism? The main belief of Buddhism is that life is full of suffering, and that suffering is caused by our attachment to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations. We often try to hold on to the things we like and push away the things we don't, but this only causes us more suffering. Instead, we should learn to let go of our attachments and accept things as they are. This is called the Four Noble Truths. The Four Noble Truths are: 1. Life is full of suffering. 2. Suffering is caused by our attachment to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations. 3. It's possible to end suffering by letting go of our attachments. And 4. We can overcome suffering by following the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path is a set of guidelines that teaches us how to live a life in harmony with the truth and overcome suffering. It includes 1. Right understanding. 2. Right thought. 3. Right speech. 4. Right action. 5. Right livelihood. 6. Right effort. 7. Right mindfulness. And 8. Right concentration. Another important belief in Buddhism is that of karma. Karma is the law of cause and effect. Every action has a reaction. Every cause has an effect. Our actions in this life will have an effect on our future. If we do good things, we will experience good things in return. If we do bad things, we will experience bad things in return. This doesn't just apply to our actions towards others, but also our thoughts and intentions. What are the different types of Buddhism? There are many different types of Buddhism, but the two main branches are Theravada Buddhism and Mahayana Buddhism. Theravada Buddhism is the oldest school of Buddhism and is prevalent in countries like Thailand, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Mahayana Buddhism is the newer of the two and is popular in China, Japan, and Korea. One of the main differences between the two is that Theravada Buddhists believe that only monks can achieve enlightenment, while Mahayana Buddhists believe that anyone can become enlightened. Is Buddhism a religion? Buddhism is often referred to as a religion, but the Buddha himself referred to his teachings as a philosophy. He didn't want his followers to worship him or to pray to him. Instead, he wanted them to follow his teachings and to strive for enlightenment for themselves. Many people see the difference between Buddhism and other religions is that it is not based on faith or belief in a God, but on personal experience and insight. How can Buddhism improve my life? Buddhism teaches us how to live a life of peace and happiness by following the Eightfold Path and letting go of our attachments. It gives us a framework for dealing with the challenges of life and helps us to see the world in a different way. By practicing Buddhism, we can learn to be more mindful, compassionate, and accepting of ourselves and others. If you're interested in learning more about Buddhism, there are many resources available, including books, articles, and online courses. You can also find Buddhist centers and temples in many cities where you can attend meditation classes or other events. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to Buddhism. We hope that you've learned something new and that you are now better equipped to deal with the challenges of life. Remember to subscribe for more informative videos and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to share your own experiences with Buddhism. Until next time, may you find peace and happiness in your journey through life.